You can add music to your WhatsApp status in just a few seconds.
Living in the same routine.
First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the Updates section. At the top, you'll see the Add Status option. Tap on it to create a new status update. Now you can either take a new photo using your camera, or select a photo from your gallery. Let's pick one from the gallery. Look at the top of the screen and tap on the music icon. This will open the music library. Scroll through the available songs, or use the search option to find a specific song or artist. When you find the song you like, tap on the arrow icon to select it. WhatsApp automatically sets the music duration to 15 seconds for photo statuses. You can adjust the section of song for your status. After that, tap on Done at the top right corner. Finally, tap the green arrow button at the bottom. And just like that, your photo with music will now be posted to your WhatsApp status.